In order to integrate an Infomaniac website with Ezoic, you just go to this setup section on the Ezoic interface and you will be shown the current name servers which your domain has set, and on the right hand side you will see the required name servers from Ezoic. With the copy icon on the right hand side of each entry, you can conveniently copy the record to the clipboard so that you can conveniently paste it to the Infomaniac interface or whatever interface your domain registrar is using. When I'm accessing the domain section, I just need to select which domain I want to perform the changes on. It needs to be the same as on the Ezoic interface, so make sure that this is the case. When I access the DNS server section, you can see again the current name servers, which is confirming Ezoic's statement here. And when I go to modify the DNS servers, I can simply switch to customize DNS servers, and then I can paste the copied record. Now I briefly switch back to the Ezoic interface and copy the second name server entry, and again switch to the interface of Infomaniac after the record has been copied to the clipboard. And I simply paste it again, and now I can proceed. The checkbox can be left unchecked, that's not necessary, and then I do confirm the change, which is important, otherwise the change is not taken into account. The notification on the screen will confirm that the change was taken into account, and that's basically all we have to do here on the interface. We switch back to Ezoic, and now we can click integration complete to confirm that we performed all necessary action. And you will be greeted with another pop-up which is saying that the integration is not complete yet. This is because the name server change needs to propagate first, which can take up to 24 hours. Usually it's faster than that, but it depends really from case to case. I can click recheck integration if I'm impatient to perform another manual check, but Ezoic will see the change automatically after some time, so you don't have to stay on this interface. So after a few hours, you can give it another look, and in my case, you see that the integration is still not completed because the changes have not been found. And again, the recheck integration did not work, so I'm going to check on what's my DNS.net or a similar tool, how far the changes did propagate already. In my case, you can see that most servers still have the old name server pair grabbed, so it's still a little bit early. But ultimately it will be completed. It's just a matter of time. So in my case, I waited for the next morning, and then I returned to the Ezoic interface, and you can see step 2 is done, and that's it. You can now proceed and do all the other steps.